Hi guys, so I recently watched Never Have I Ever, and it's a kind of teen drama, college romance kind of a thing, but I really like it. And I searched for this character Devi. She is actually Indian, South Indian, and her name is Maitri Ramakrishnan. So I've written some facts here, so I'm gonna refer from laptop. I hope it's fine. So what this video is very important for someone who is in their 20s, especially 2021, just graduates from college and they're building their life and career in India. And being a girl at 21, I understand a lot of stuff is happening and a lot of issues are going with you. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about taking Maitri reference, how to build that kind of confidence, because I see that girl is literally lit. I mean, if anyone, I can think her as a inspiration or replacement of is Priyanka Chopra, which is like the great of all. So let's talk about how to become like Maitri or Devi from the series without any fake accent or LA agent, just speaking your own truth. So now people think कि confidence कुछ ऐसी चीज़ है जो लोग पैदा होते हैं, but ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप मैत्री को देखोगे, she is a Tamil, she is like a proper South Indian, she doesn't belong from Hollywood, she has her own identity struggles and literally उसने Never Have I Ever के auditions almost दिए तक नहीं थे. उसकी friend ने push किया था कि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है and you should really do it, you will be fit for the show. So इससे मुझे एक चीज़ तो समझ में आती है कि आपको opportunities create करनी पड़ती हैं, आपको चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं लाइफ में, और करके ही आपको पता चलता है कि what will be the outcome. आप सोचो अपने कमरे में बैठ के कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाओगे, कैमरा में बोलने लगोगे, ऐसा नहीं है. जैसे कि मैं ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ, ठीक है, अब मैं अगर ये नहीं करूंगी तो विद टाइम मैं कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हूँ कि सडनली एक दिन मैं जाऊँ, कोई मुझे स्टेज पे इन्वाइट करे एंड आई विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट. आई हैव टू रिकॉर्ड वीडियोस, आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई एम कमिंग हियर, आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग एवरी डे एंड आई एम लाइक ग्रोइंग विद दिस. सो अगर तुम 21 के हो और इंडिया में हो तो stop doubting yourself and start borrowing belief from your friend, from your mentor who keeps pushing you, and just start doing stuff. Now why Maitri sounds so refreshing, क्योंकि मैंने उसके interviews भी देखे and I feel she's like very cheerful, playful, and she's coming from a very authentic place. She's not trying to copy anyone or to show off anyone or to be like like coming from a very authentic place. And one most important thing which I observe, which you can do if you are building your confidence being a 21-year-old, is your voice. Her voice was very sarcastic, emotional, fast, slow. It changes with the tone and the context. So abhi, like if you are talking to someone, if you are going out, if you're doing something, you have to make sure that how you can make your tone more better suited for the context rather than just be like, yeah, whatever, like that. So I think as a confident person, you really need to work on your tone, because Maitri's tone, I really like it whenever I see her videos. Confident is not about being perfect, it's about being in present. So don't try to be perfect and outsmart others, but try to build a relevancy. Like if you're talking with me and if you can be relatable and relevant, that's rare. Everyone in the conversation, even in group discussions I've seen in my college, people try to outsmart others. Ki I am the most smartest person. Don't try to do that. Just try to build a conversation, which happens if you relate with the person. If you can add a feature that, yeah, I relate with you, I also do this and stuff like that. So I met this Tanya Khanijo YouTube creator on my Pune meetup, and I was talking to her and I told her that I have started freelancing. I hire interns from Internshala, and she was shocked. She was 40k subs at that moment and she was listening very carefully because I was offering a value and being relatable. So that's what built confidence, rather than just trying to be perfect and outsmarting others. Now a lot of Indian girls feel that I'm too Indian for West or I'm too Western for India. So I think this is just a bubble in which we all girls are living in right now, because time is changing very fast. But I would suggest that use your X factor, like how Maitri uses, and she just own it what she is. Like I am from UP West. UP East and UP West also is very different. So I own it. I'm from UP West. I am obviously from a much more privileged part of UP. I'm from Agra, which influenced a lot of culture from Delhi. So it's kind of a lot of Western. But I come from a Bania family and we have a lot of Bania households in Agra. So it's very much traditional family concept and values in that way. So I own all of that. So if you are even from a village, if you are even from anywhere of the part of India, you should own your truth. That makes you magnetic. Your culture is your secret sauce and not your cage. So I've observed 3 things about her. If you want to build a personality like Maitri, say yes things to before you are even ready. Just now there was a person who wanted to book a call with me for LinkedIn discussion, and he went on MS Teams and not on Gmeet. So that's what the first time I did a meeting on his MS Teams, I quickly said yes. I didn't told him that, oh, I only do Gmeet or Zoom, I don't want to do it MS Teams. No, if he wants an MS Teams, I'll go on MS Teams. I'll figure out how to do it. I just downloaded the app. Luckily, I have a Yahoo account. I connected it and bam, I have a call with him on MS Teams. So say things yes before even you are ready. Second, laugh at yourself a lot. I think making joke of your own self is the best thing you can do, because that relieves a lot of pressure from here, which we take when we feel serious about ourselves. Third is have strong opinions. For me, if I stand for something, I will stand for something that in my family also, in my in-laws house also. It's not something I'll be like, yeah, let it be, let it go. No. I've always been a very strong opinionated person. If I have opinions, I'll tell him, I'll tell everyone, and I'll make sure that that will be executed, because I can't be someone who can, take BS a lot. So yeah, that's it. I hope you have some value in this video and you can build a confidence like her and just start doing stuff and talk like her, and that will make you very unique if you own your truth, as I speak a lot in this video. And if you like my video, subscribe it and like the video and share it with a friend, honestly, who is very much underconfident right now, and with this video they can raise their confidence a bit. Yeah, bye.